So, as you can see, we've got ourselves a bunch of shiny new Hot Wheels that I want to show off in a car show. And I've also found a couple rare die-casts at the garage sale. You can kind of see two of them to the left. And that's coming up right after this. Starting off strong, we've got ourselves a 56 Chevy Bel Air. This thing's a limited edition. That means it's rare. Next to it, we've got ourselves a 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. Next to the Roadrunner, we've got ourselves a Chevy wagon from Muscle Machines. This thing's got junk in the trunk. The Chevy Nomad. 70 Chevy Chevelle SS. The 57 Thunderbird. Then we've got ourselves a 1967 El Camino. And lastly, for our shiny cars, we've got a 62 Chevy Bubble Top. Rocking that Spectra Flame. Now over to my garage sale dollar finds. We've got ourselves some treasures. My favorite being the Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud, or I like to call it Silver Clout. This thing is sought after. And then next to it, I found myself a Fire Chief. A Corgi Fire Chief. Just super excited about that. Still with the stickers on it. And we've got ourselves a Boss Hog from the Dukes of Hazzard. It also says Boss Hog. And of course, what's the Boss Hog without the General Lee? From a dollar bin. They were covered in spider webs, but I just spot cleaned them and they came out perfectly. So for $4, I got these. Anyway guys, as always, thanks for tuning in.